friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is one quick healthy breakfast which is very simple, so let's get started. First we'll take one boiled egg and we'll add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, then add salt according to your taste, and we're going to smash it really well. Well, our smashed egg is ready. Now we are going to do is green chutney. For that we are going to have handful of coriander, then 1/4 of mint leaf, then add chilies according to your spice tolerance, then add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, 3 pieces of shallot, then 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then add salt, half a teaspoon. We'll blend this and there our green chutney is ready. We can store this in refrigerator for 1 week and can be used it in chaat, sandwiches and even when you have rice dishes, etc. Now we will take 1 small piece of potato and we are going to add the green chutney around 2 tablespoons and we are going to smash it really well. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Now we'll take 1 tortilla or you can use roti or chapati and we are going to do it into 4 halves. We'll give a slight cut in the middle part and now we'll start adding our fillings. First we are adding the potato fillings. Then we'll add the egg filling. Let it paste really well. Then we'll add sorted vegetables and we'll spread out some mozzarella cheese. We are going to start folding it. Well, our sandwich is partially ready. Next we are going to do a watermelon juice. Now we'll cut watermelon which is required for 2 glasses of juice. We'll remove the seeds and cut it into small pieces. Now we'll add it to the blender. Then we'll squeeze 1 lemon. Now add pink salt or black salt which will be more tasty, about half a teaspoon, and blend it. Now we'll toast our sandwiches. We'll toast it about 1 to 2 minutes till the cheese gets melted. Well, our sandwich is now ready. A quick, super healthy breakfast is now ready to serve. Enjoy this and make your morning really beautiful. Look how colorful it is. It's not just colorful, it's tasty too. Try it once. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.